Hello students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lux International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to solve questions of exercise 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. We have already studied 1.1 and their concept in the previous video. Now we will solve the questions of this exercise. First we will see the concept of rules of multiplication of integers. Here you have to read these. We only see this one. Here you can see what will be the result of the following product. Minus 1 into minus 1. When we multiply minus 1 into minus 1, we will get plus 1. When we multiply two negative numbers, we will get the positive numbers. Now here minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. Minus 1 equals to 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 equals to 1. Now in the second one, minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1 हो गया. Now minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Now one more minus 1. So we will write this as it is. So we will get the answer minus 1. Now we will solve the questions of exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Find the following products. Question number first. Minus 6 into 12. So 6 into 12 is 7. Minus sign is now 16 into minus 5. The answer is minus 18. Minus 7 into minus 11. So 7 into 11 is 77. Now here both the numbers are negative. The answer will be positive. The answer is 77. Now in the same manner, third, fourth, fifth you have to solve. Question number second. Evaluate first minus 2 into minus 5 into 27. Okay, so first we will solve minus 2 into minus 5. The answer will be plus 10 into 27. So 10 into 27 will be 270. Now question number second. 7 into 10 into minus 18. First we will solve 7 into 10. We will get 70 into minus 18. So when you multiply these two numbers, you will get minus 1260. Now question number third. Minus 4 into minus question number third. Minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 11. So first we will solve minus 4 into 5. We will get minus 20, and then minus 20 and minus 11 we will get 220 of positive. Now you have to solve others. Now question number third. Evaluate. First minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. Okay, so first we will multiply minus 2 and minus 1. You will get 2, and then we will multiply minus 3 and minus 4. You will get 12, and minus 5 as it is. Now 2 into 12 into minus 5. First we will solve 2 into 12. You will get 24. 24 into minus 5. The answer will be minus 120. Now question number 2. Minus 3 into minus 1 into 6 into minus 5. First we will solve minus 3 into minus 1. You will get 3, and then minus 6 into minus 5. We will get positive 30. So the answer will be 3 into 30, which is 90. Now you have to solve third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Question number 4. Express the following as a product of two factors. Now here you have to express any number with the two factors. Product of two factor. So first minus 18. So the answer will be minus 2 into 9. We can also write minus 1 into 18 also you can write. Okay. So likewise you have to solve this question. Now second one, minus 40. You can write minus 10 into 4 also. Now you can write minus 20 into 2 also. Okay, like in the same manner you have to solve this question. Question number 5. Express the is a product of factors. Now you have to express in three factors. First question is minus 20. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 5. When you will solve this, you can get minus 20 as answer. Now question number 2, minus 24 equals to 3 into 2 into minus 4. When you will solve this, you will get minus 24 answer. So you have to same solve the other question. Now question number 6, find the value of the following. Now here you have to solve this question. First, minus 717 into 9 plus minus 717. First of all, you have to multiply. So when you will multiply minus 717 into 9, you will get minus 6453, and here minus 717. So you have to solve this step. So you will get answer minus 7170. Now second one, minus 2312 into 91 plus minus 2312 into 9. So you have to multiply 2312 into 91 and you have to multiply 2312 into 9. When you will multiply both the numbers, you will get both the negative value, and both the negative value you have to solve. Then you will get the answer minus 2,31,200. Now in the same manner you have to solve others. Question number 7, which is greater, the product of minus 77 and 27 or the product of minus 65 and 36? So first of all, we have to calculate the product of minus 77 and 27. The answer will be minus 2079, and the product of minus 65 and 36 will be minus 2340. So we let's take out the difference between the two numbers. So when we take out the difference, we will get 261. So the product of minus 65 and 36 is greater by 261. This is our answer. Now question number 8, put greater or less than sign in the boxes. You have to solve both the sides and you have to the less than or greater than sign. First question is minus 7 into minus 6 into 1. So when you will solve this, you will get 42, and on the RHS right hand side, 7 into minus 6 into 1, you will solve this, you will get minus 42, which is less than 42. 42 is greater than minus 42, so we will use greater than sign. Now in the same manner you have to solve other questions. So our next topic is division of integers. You have to read this topic. You have to also read the rules of division of integers and what are the properties of division. Now we will solve exercise 1.3. First question, divide the following. First, minus 625 by 5. When you will divide minus 625 by 5, you will get answer 125 of negative sign. Okay, so in divide, if we have a single number negative, we will get the answer of negative number. If suppose both the numbers are negative in dividation, suppose in example number 3rd, minus 2047 by minus 23, then we will get the answer of positive 89. Okay, now in the same manner you have to solve these questions. Question number 2, find the value of the following. Now here our first question is minus 6 plus 18 minus 4 minus in bracket minus 10 divide minus 9. Okay, so first of all we have to solve the brackets. Okay, so when we solve the brackets, we will get minus 6 plus 18 minus 4 minus minus plus 10. Okay, divide by minus 9. So minus 6 plus 18 minus 4 plus 10. When you will solve this, you will get, first we will solve minus 6 plus 18, we will get 12. Then minus 4 plus 10, we will get 6 plus 6. So 6 by minus 9. 12 plus 6 is 18. 80 divided by minus 9, we will get minus 2 as answer. Now question number 2, 12 plus 5 minus 8 plus minus 20 divided by 5. Here first we will solve 12 plus 5, the answer will be 17, minus 8 minus 20, answer will be minus 37. Now 17 minus 37, you have to calculate this answer and divide by 5. When you will divide both these numbers, you will get the answer minus 4. Now in the same manner you have to solve these questions. Question number 3, evaluate first minus 6 into 8 divide 2 into minus 3. First we will solve minus 6 into minus 8. Minus 6 into 8, the answer will be of positive 48. Divide 2 into minus 3, the answer will be minus 6. 48 divided by minus 6, the answer will be minus 8. Now question number 2, 9 into minus 11 divide by 3 into minus 3. Now solve 9 into minus 11, you will get minus 99 answer, and 3 into minus 3, you will get minus 9. So minus 99 divided by minus 9, you will get answer 11 of positive number. Okay, now in the same manner you have to solve other. Question number 4, the product of three integers is minus 85. If two of the integers are minus 17 and minus 5, find the third. The product of three integers equals to minus 85. Two integers are minus 17 and minus 5. So minus 17 into minus 5 into x equals minus 85. Because it's already given that the product of three integers. So we will use the multiplication sign here. So 85 into x equals to minus 85. So x equals to minus 85 by 85. We will get the answer minus 1. Now let us solve question number 5. Divide the sum of minus 22, minus 63 and minus 15 by the product of minus 10 and 5. Okay, so first we will calculate the sum of minus 22, minus 63 and minus 15. So we will get our answer minus 100. Now the product of minus 10 and 5 is minus 50. So now in the question it is given that you have to divide both the answers which we get from the sum of and the product of. So minus 100 divided by minus 50. So the answer will be 2. Now question number 6, subtract 100 from minus 40 and divide the difference by the product of minus 7 and 10. Now the solution, subtract 100 from minus 40 equals to minus 40 minus 100. The answer will be minus 140. Now the difference by the product of minus 7 and 10 equals to minus 70. Now we will divide 140 divided by minus 70. We will get our answer as 2. Now in the same manner you have to solve question number 7 and question number 8. Now we will read precedence of operation. Here you can see one word is given here, DMAS. Division first, then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. Means DMAS is the rule. Here you have to solve first division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Okay, now we will solve exercise 1.4. question number 1, find the value of the following. First, minus 6 into 2 plus 8. So first we will solve the multiplication as you already learned in our previous concept. So minus 6 multiplied by 2, minus 12 plus 18. Minus 12, the answer will be minus 4. Now minus 16 plus minus 18 divided by minus 2. First we will solve division. So minus 18 divided by minus 2, the answer will be plus 9. So minus 16 plus 9, the answer will be minus 7. Now you have to solve others. Question number 2, evaluate. First 12 minus 12 divided by 3 to 4. First we will solve division. So 12 minus, when we divide 12 divided by 3, the answer will be 4. So 12 minus 4 multiply 4. Now 12 minus 4 into 4 is 16. So 12 minus 16, the answer will be minus 4. Now question number second, 28 minus 5 multiply 3 plus 7. Solve multiplication here. So 28 minus 15 plus minus 7. The answer will be 6. Okay, you have to solve in the same manner. Question number 3. Calculate first 19 minus 18 divided by 2 plus 14 into minus 1. First we will solve the division, means 18 divided by 2. So 19 minus 9 minus 14 equals to, the answer will be minus 4. Now second one, minus 16 plus minus 5 divided by minus 5 into minus 1. First we will solve the division sign. Minus 45 divide minus 5, we will get positive 9. Then minus 16 plus 9 minus 1. When we multiply 9 into minus 1, we will get minus 9. So minus 16 minus 9, the answer will be minus 25. Okay, in the same manner you have to solve others question. Now question number 4, put greater than or less than sign in the boxes. Now here you have to solve both the sides, LHS and RHS, and then you have to compare the values, and then you have to put the sign to this question. Now our chapter is completed. In the next video we will start our new chapter. Till then you just practice all these questions and read next chapter concept. Thank you and have a nice day.